Amen nonke. Ngiyanibingelela ngale ntambama yanamhlanje. Mangabe uphiwe ubizo lwangempela, uhamba namakhosi. Amakhosi ahamba angayifuni fake. You need to represent them highly. You need to represent them respectfully. Yes, ungabambisa ngefake. Ungabambisa ngefake, but there will be a time where they will want something original. And they are going to give it to you. How? Free of charge. If you listen and do. You listen and do. Kusho thina esihamba namakhehla, kusho thina esaphiwa umsebenzi, kusho thina esakhethwa. Manje sesikhomba kwenzeka. Ngiyabona? They want original thing. Ngabambisa ngefake. Yenza, do what you are sent to do. Represent your guides in a nice, respectful way. Respect them. Respect your guides. Respect God. Be an honest healer. Be authentic in your readings. Help people. Counsel people. Do the readings. When people comes to me, hey Mkhulu, I went somewhere else and then I spent only 2 minutes. You can't spend 2 minutes or 10 minutes. How are you going to do that? You do not leave someone depressed. If you're a healer, if you are a called healer, you counsel people. You do counseling, you do spiritual counseling, you do uyamduduza umuntu ngoba nanku sekufika indaba ezibhlungu futhi azaziyo. Nanku sekuphakema abantu bakibo. Nanku umuntu washonelwa ingane yakhe yaphakama ikhuluma naye via me. Mawuzothi for an hour wazi kanjani ukuthi loyo muntu lo uzobe satisfied. Remember, these people trust us. They believe in us. They trust us. Let's treat them well. Our vote. Ngiyabonga mkhulu.